Rory and I study history. I was a third year and now I'm officially finished with my undergraduate degree. It is cutting records to vinyl in real time using a lathe in order to provide music to younger people and bands who maybe don't have as much money to buy merchandise. Well, I was only really informed about the big pitch like 3 days before it actually happened. I sort of got the email and had a mad scramble and then had to turn up to it. But also I was right in the middle of writing my dissertation, so I arrived at the big pitch, basically did it not really paying attention because I didn't know how much money there was on the table. I literally had a meeting with Kelly and she said, oh, there are some people who you might want to pitch to. I turned up, I pitched my idea in about 45 seconds and then I had to run out again and I didn't think anything of it, and then I got an email about a week later saying, yeah, you've been given £1,250 and everyone thinks you've got a great idea. And it was sort of a, well, now I need to actually make this into a business. But it was really interesting because I got feedback from all of the judges and all of them were giving me sort of, you did this well, maybe recommend this, and it's really helped in getting something that was just a throwaway idea into something that's going to become a business, hopefully after the summer. Yeah.
Nice.
I've had regular meetings with Kelly and it's been an amazing help. And she's also provided workspaces, which was really helpful, and sort of connections to important people and that sort of thing. Mostly just support, so if I wasn't sure of something I could just send them an email and they'd be right there to help.